how to use phone as webcam on TikTok Live Studio. So what you're gonna have to do is go to your preferred browser first. You're gonna have to download the Droidcam app. So search for Droidcam and open up their website. You're gonna have to scroll down and get it on your computer. So choose your client. In our case, it's going to be a Windows setup over here. Press on Windows and just download the file. Once you have downloaded the file, open the file up and proceed with the installation. And once the app is installed, what you're gonna have to do now is open up the Droidcam client. So just go ahead and put this aside for now. So go ahead to your mobile device and go to your Play Store, and you're gonna have to download Droidcam as well. So ignore the McDonald's app. So search for Droidcam, install, and open it, of course. So welcome to Droidcam. It will say over here. Go ahead and press on continue, and continue again. Press on OK to allow the permissions. Allow pretty much everything. You don't have to allow the notifications, but over here, make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi. So you don't have to do anything after this in your phone. Go back to your computer, press and click to add device. So as long as you are connected to the same Wi-Fi, it should show up as the options over here on add a device. So let's go ahead and press on add selected devices. So now our phone is as a little recording over here. You can switch or turn around the camera if you want. So the next part, so now putting it into the TikTok Live Studio. What you're gonna have to do is go to your sources and press on the plus button, then go ahead and choose camera and press on add. You're gonna go to the camera over here and open up the options, but you're gonna have to unlock the virtual camera, which is the Droidcam video over here, by going live on Live Studio 3 more times for 25 minutes each, but it will show you how much you need as well. So mobile live streams do not count. Validation may take up to 48 hours, so put that in mind. And once you are eligible, just go ahead and choose the Droidcam video option. But that's pretty much how you use your phone as a webcam for TikTok Live Studio. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.